We have another Indian Challenger. This one is a 2022, and I guess we are just in the market to completely ruin Indian Challenger Elites. If you've watched any of our videos, especially Mr. Kev, the one and only Kevin, we did his Elite and we got slammed for, I don't even know what you want to call it. We ruined the Elite. So yeah, that's why we run that joke now. But anyways, this 2020 Indian Challenger Elite, we've already worked on this bike. We already did the Forever Rad LP6 headlight kit on there. Again, if you want the best headlight option out there, burning eye sockets out of people's heads, that thing is amazing. You can definitely see anything. This customer went that route because he lives up in Georgia, out in the country, and does not want to hit a deer. More than enough. Anyways, I digress. Absolutely beautiful bike. He's got some really nice, tasteful modifications on this. And this bike is getting a dual amp, 6-speaker fairing, 6.5-inch lowers, and TNA carbon fiber 8-inch lids. So let's show you the bike as it sits now, and then some of the footage while it's getting torn apart and the final product, because I'm excited for how this bike's gonna look. And the customer and I are already talking about some cool paint ideas for those TNA lids. Once again, if you forgot already in the last 60 seconds what this is, 2022 Indian Challenger Elite. Absolutely love these Elites. The color schemes are awesome, especially when you got really cool customers that want to powder coat stuff to match. And it's kind of like really cool when this comes down and it meets there. It's almost like a T. Super slick. Actually, it kind of matches that saddlebag swoosh. What do y'all think? Cool. Let's move on. Oh, and don't forget the levers. This bike, we're doing our tried and true dual amp setup. So up here, we'll have our DSP, two 800.4s up there. The first 800.4 will be doing the fairings and the lowers, both 6.5s, both the CHs. Actually, no. The top ones are gonna be the mid and the tweeter separate. These are gonna be the CHs. And then back here, we are doing TNA carbon fiber 8-inch lids with the Cicada Audio CM8.4X. That's a carbon fiber mid-bass 8-inch speaker. The neodymium magnet sounds absolutely amazing. Will be even better. So let's go get this bike inside the install bay, because Bill is itching to get this bike torn apart, done up, so that way we can show you all how it looks, sounds, and what the customer thinks. This 2022 Indian Challenger Elite is a wrap. But before I give you a little walk around of this bike, let's go ahead and show you some of the footage behind the scenes of this bike getting torn down, and a couple of videos of where it was at throughout the process before showing you this. Job taking the extra time to get you some more of the video footage from behind the scenes. I know everybody's been like, hey, we want to see the install like along the way in some of these. I don't want to do install videos in conjunction with customer installs of these, because they make the video way too long. The point of these videos is just to show y'all how these bikes came in, how they look, and how they sound. And yes, get the audio quality over the phone is hard to get, but we're doing the best that we can to help y'all hear different systems, and hopefully the microphones on these phones are doing better and better as phones get better over time. So real quick, dual amp, we have two 800.4s and a DSP in the fairing. This is a 6-speaker fairing, lower fairing, and 8-inch lids. So let's show you how this all looks on this beautiful bike. I think the carbon lids came out amazing, and let y'all listen to it because the customer's on his way. 2020 Elite, 2 amplifiers in the fairing. So 800.4, 800.4 DSP, all tucked nice and neat in there. LP6 headlight kit, again from Forever Rad. Our Davidson audio, 8-inch lowers on there, looking super sexy and sleek. Absolutely love it. We did the Cicada components in the front, so that's their Cicada CM65.4X. That's a carbon fiber mid-bass 6.5. RR075T tweeter with the CH65s in the lowers. Our speaker pods, all Davidson audio wiring, looking super clean. TNA Customs 8-inch carbon fiber lids, looking also sleek on there. I was talking to the customer, he may do some paint. I told him, I was like, bro, get the lids painted like this, and then where this black stripe comes up naturally, I was like, if you were to leave that exposed carbon and bring the red line up and over, incorporate the grills like our boy Kevin did on his, it would look so sweet. I don't know, we'll see what he does. Like I said, not my bike, but I just think that would look super cool. Overall, absolutely beautiful. Think it fits the bike, makes the bike really stand out. So let's hear how it sounds.
I really reading up. Back in the day, never read a book, but them red letters hit my dead heart, and I came to life and I changed up. Now they wanna know. Tell me who this stranger? Straight man, don't wake up. I ain't going through places. This right here, the new way to basis. Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought it back. Woke up with a new heart, knew my new purpose. Tell me who's this stranger? Tell me who's this stranger? Dead man, don't wake up. So tell me who's this stranger? Came through on the wrong side, but the Holy Ghost brought it back. Woke up with a new heart, knew my new purpose. All of the men are on the I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it works. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as it heaven on this earth to me. It's not way to occur to me. Hell gon' burn like 3rd degree. If you know your history, Jesus paid that price for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, boy, you better learn to read. Hey, me and my baby girl in one accord, call it double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with it, I don't wanna visit. I went independent, he's gotta pretend it. I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it works. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come. Like how you gonna live as a Christian? Like how you gonna live out a mission? Like how you gonna walk through the city and pray for the homeless, but not for the wicked? You used to sit in the pew as a critic. I would look up like y'all so religious. I was like, this is for me, I admit it. I said, this is for me, I admit. I had some brothers who smoking a day. I can't judge them, I know that I can't. Cause I looked at my mama with hate. I made all my music for me and promoted this song to blow one day. And God told me throw it away. Like people was passing the J. Went to college, he changed my life. I'm 22 and I'm living for Christ. And I'm about to marry my wife. And I ain't gonna marry her twice. I ain't rapping to put on the ice. On the PB, we rolling the dice. Never lie in my hand like lights. But I gave him a heavenly slice. I don't need my name in lights. I was running through the city in focus. No cap, I was going through the motions. Got a devil saying do something bogus. I can't do that. I used to lust on them women until I found out where the truth is.
Customers here picking up his beautiful 22 Elite. We're going to ask him what his thoughts are on dealing with us in his system and let them get out and enjoy what would be the last of the beautiful Panama City, Florida weather.
Very easy to work with, excellent install and excellent customer service. I would recommend anybody go through Davidson Audio for their installs.
Completely satisfied?
Absolutely.
Perfect, my man, I appreciate it. They traveled all the way from Georgia. Where in Georgia?
Just south of Atlanta.
Okay, so right about the 4-hour mark. So we always appreciate customers wherever they travel from. We always appreciate it. So if you're looking for the best aftermarket audio solution for your Indian, Harley, motorcycle, truck, car, period, whatever it is, come check us out. We'd be more than happy to help you out. So God bless all of you. Have a great day.